Alright guys, so pretty much what I'm doing here is just fiberglassing his, I'm creating a new hole for his car so that he can bolt up into it. So pretty much I just sanded this with 80 grit on the top and on the bottom, and then I put some fiberglass on top, and then after that I just got a piece of tape and then just put some fiberglass in the piece of tape and then just kind of stuck it on there and squeezed it a little bit so it can adhere onto the bumper. And whenever this is dry, I'm pretty much just going to drill a hole through there where the bolt's supposed to go, and then it should be fixed. And I think this is ready to come off. So just wait till it's kind of dry. Honestly, it might be better to drill a hole through it while it's kind of wet so that it doesn't try to break on me. So let's just take the drill. Let me check real quick. There's an indentation right there, so yeah, it's probably right here where the hole needs to be. I'm gonna be doing the fender wells on this behind the wheels. There are a bunch of rock chips and stuff. Right now I'm using 220 and getting all the rock chips out. This is kind of what it looked like that. So pretty much I'm just coming in and just scuffing this with 220, getting all those rock chips out. See, like that's good enough. Alright, so I got my 600 grit. I kind of just made it into a pie shape. Just gonna go down here, get all my 220 scratches out. Make it nice and smooth so it's ready to airbrush. You know, it's not gonna look perfect. He paid me $650 to do the bumper, touch it up, and buff a few scratches out. So this is kind of some extra stuff I'm doing. You know, this whole thing probably should have been around $1,500, but you know, I'm nice. I'm giving them some free stuff, I guess. That should be good. Let's go over here. Just to make sure all the paint sticks pretty good. I don't really need to get all the rock chips out, just as long as it's all red and shiny, or a little bit shiny. And I'm gonna put some wax and grease remover on it. I just have some Prep All wax and grease remover. I already used it on the inside, but I didn't wipe it good enough on the outside so the tape could stick, so. Alright. Just gonna wipe this off on the outside. Wipe the inside a little bit. Just like that. See, like back here, it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna wipe the inside first. I'll go to the other side. Wipe the inside here. And then wipe this off. And then now I'm just gonna wipe over here so that I can get all of the wax or grease or silicone or whatever stuck on here. Like you can see all this black on here, so it's probably tire shine. Yep, so it's pretty simple. It's not really that hard. I have a $50 airbrush that I bought from Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna put some of my paint that I mixed up into the airbrush because it was a little lighter. And I gotta put this gas cap back on. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea where I put it. I don't know where I put the screws for that. Okay guys, so there's 2 bolts to the gas cap and I lost one of them. I put it somewhere in my car. I found this, but I couldn't find the other one. Gonna run to Ace, get this, and then I'll come back and put the gas cap on and then airbrush everything. Alright, let's see if we can find the right one. I think it's that one. Yeah. Yep, 1032. Alright guys, I got the bolts. Ace Hardware's over there. And I need to get a push pin for the G37 or G35, whatever it is, I forgot. But yeah, I'm already at AutoZone. That's how close it is. Like, this is what I love about the city, but I hate living in the city. There's just too many people and I don't get to do all the stuff I want. But yeah, I got the bolts and I'm about to get a couple push pins for the grill. Alright guys, had to bring the mic out for this one. It's a little windy outside, so yeah. Gas cap. There's 2 metal pieces right here. Gas cap just slides right behind there. Maybe. There we go. And then this will go over it like that. And then pretty much just screw it in. Let's put the other screw in at the bottom. Just like that. I literally just have a flat head. It's a Phillip, but I mean, I couldn't find another. I couldn't find a Phillips screwdriver, so perfect. All right. All right, and that's how you install a gas cap on a G35. That easy. All right, guys. So I'm gonna be installing the push pins now for the grill. If I can open them. This is what I got. It's just Nissan push pins, pretty much. Got it from AutoZone. I can't even remember how much they were. They were pretty cheap, I think. I got the keys. Hopefully it doesn't honk at me because it's done it before. Okay, yeah, we're good. Let's pop the hood. Bam. And now I need a flathead because I know some of these are broken. I don't know how they got broken, but I guess that one's good. This one is definitely broken, as you can tell. Yep, definitely broken. replace it with a new one. Bam. So this one right here, I was missing one. I don't know where it went. So, bam, get that in there. Perfect. And then I'm gonna check and see for any other broken ones. This one looks like it could be broken. No, that one's good. Check this one. That one could be replaced. It has one broken tab on it. Put that in there. Perfect. And then let's check this one. This one looks a little loose. Yeah, that one's been worn out a little bit. Replace it. All right, there we go. Everything's attached. The grill's kind of weird. I don't know. He probably broke some tabs on it or something. I have no idea, because whenever I took the bumper off, the grill just kind of popped off on its own for some reason. I'm gonna get to airbrushing it soon in a second. I just gotta get the airbrush. All right, so I'm just gonna back tape this just like that. Just so I don't get any overspray on the car. Just tear it in a few spots so it's not trying to not fold back. Alright, so pretty much just like that. Get it all taped up. Just so I don't get overspray right here. Now, get the airbrush. Kind of just airbrush all this. It does have clear in there, so it should be shiny. Doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it's covered and it's red, it should be good. And then after this, probably take some thinner to the plastic so it gets all that red off of there, since I didn't tape it. Alright, and that looks pretty good. I wish there was more light on it so you could see, but that's what it's looking like. It's a lot better than it was. I'm sure I'll be happy with it. Let's put another layer on there. Alright, now that that's over with, take the tape off so it doesn't try to dry. Just like that. Easy. Just like that. That's pretty good. Now, do the same thing as the other one. Pretty much, just spray it till it's red. Probably get up here too, there's some spots up here. Looks a lot better than it was. Alright, that was the finale. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I post another video. The next one should be these mirrors, and stay tuned for that.